Hi, I'm Bean. I'm here with a very late boy beat video. I'm sure we all know this concept by now. Beyonce, natural, masculine, and don't get mad at me for using that word because we all have a little bit of masculinity in us, but this is still very much about like embracing being a woman, but that's why it's called the boy beat. We all got a little bit of masculine and that's cool. So, I am trying to fit the vibe. I have this hair that I haven't brushed all day and a white t-shirt and chain. So, that's the first step. Get a white t-shirt and a thin chain. Look like those like Italian mama's boys. Basically, I'm gonna pull my hair back with these again. I did this once and I Get Ready With Me and it kind of worked. I'm gonna first start by taking Paula's Choice moisturizing. I am going to be doing my whole base with you guys because it is a little bit of a different routine. I really hope I don't lose this light. It's like, it's been storming today and now the sun's about to set, but it's at this really pretty state in which the sky is like navy blue, but the sun is back there, so it's reflecting off of the houses and onto my face. It's really pretty outside. I can take these off now because I don't think I'm going to be putting much foundation on my forehead, but I don't know, there's something so nice about being able to hold literally every product that I'm going to be using at one time. Okay, so now we are going to put some primer on. Photo finish primer. Honestly, just moisturizer would do, but I'm extra. Even whenever I'm making a look that is specifically designed not to be it actually might be a little extra. Like those makeups that are like designed to look very natural, but they're not in any way, shape, or form. It's kind of what we're doing. But we're basically going to be like exaggerating the more like, I don't know, underrated natural aspects of our faces, the more masculine aspects like dark under eye circles and bushy brows, and then just very lightly concealing your imperfections, because this is kind of about accepting your imperfections and being nice to them for one day. So after that, I'm gonna focus primarily on color correcting my redness instead of trying to like cover it all with concealer. I'm actually not gonna be using any concealer. Foundation, yes, but just a little bit. So now after that, I am going to take a little bit of this Hourglass Vanish Stick and just apply it to the center areas of my face, my most problematic areas, but I'm really not going to be using a lot at all. So basically where we just had to color correct, you know, use this to sort of like mesh everything together. We'll go in with that much, see what that does. There's like towel fuzzies on my face, so I've been using a black towel and it just got in this stick. Okay. So now I still look natural. I clearly still have like pimples, dark circles of course, but I'm just a little less red because that's a big thing for me. So our skin is literally done. We do actually want to powder it though because we're not supposed to look glowy. You know, none of that cute dewiness. I would say that it's okay to not put powder on, leave shiny the areas in which you would naturally get oil, but since we're putting makeup over those, we sadly kind of have to powder it so that it won't just fall away. Gonna take some powder. Okay, so now moving on to our eyebrows, I am going to take a little bit of Dip Brow, and use it to make fine little strokes that kind of mimic more hairs onto my brow, but that's about it. We're not really gonna like fill them in, just the bald spot, and try to make them look much fuller than they actually are. So right now I'm just gonna fill them in a little bit, and then I'm gonna put brow gel on it, and then I'm gonna add those little like faux brow hairs like I mentioned before. So just like that should be enough, and then we're gonna make them look all unruly with this brow gel. So now, just in different areas, I'm just gonna create little flicks, which will mimic more hair. That should do for that brow. Okay, that'll do it for our unruly brows. So now for my eye makeup, I'm basically just going to focus on my lower eye, maybe a little bit on my upper eye socket. I have with me here the Soft Glam palette. Gonna be taking Dusty Rose and just kind of putting that under my eyes to like barely exaggerate my dark circles, the corner as well. You can take it out a little bit. You want to look kind of more like smoldery, just like that. And then I guess I will also take just like the slightest bit of rustic here and darken up my outer corners. Sort of lightly bring it into my eye socket like that, so that you're still allowing your eyes some definition, but not, you know, creating a whole eyeshadow look out of it. Now, instead of applying lower eyelash mascara, I'm actually just going to take a precision brush and dip into Cypress Umber. And just take a little bit of that and follow my lash line with it. Not my waterline, but my lash line. Just to give the effect of like fuller eyelashes. You know those guys who look like they're perpetually wearing eyeliner? That's sort of the look that we're going for. So just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm also going to take that color and just lightly use it to extend my, how would you call that? Like your eye crease? Just like so. It kind of gives the effect of having like, sorry, of having like a wider, bigger eye without, you know, again, applying tons of makeup. Okay, so now we are gonna apply just a little bit of mascara on the upper lashes. Honestly, that's enough. Not even exaggerating when I say the tiniest amount of mascara humanly possible, while still, you know, creating some difference. I guess we can add a little bit of like sunburn here. A little bit of sun right through here. Nose too. Right here. I hope that you guys can even like see these little things that I'm doing, because they're really just so slight. Like that. And now for the lips, need to, yeah, take a little bit of foundation and just kind of go over them. Like so. Not super crazily or anything. And then I'm taking this NYX pencil, which literally looks mangled because I had to hand sharpen it. Because I don't have can't find a sharpener anyway. But I'm going to apply a little bit of that, just so that it creates like a more attractive, like tanny, beigey nude than what my lips naturally have. They're a bit more pink. And then I have this like taupe mauve purpley NYX shade that I'm gonna put on the center of my lips. Now the sort of trick to this gradient is to also make sure that it not only like feathers out right in the center, but that it extends from corner to corner to make your mouth appear more wide as well. And this is the completed look. What do we think? Cute? Not cute? Too manly? Let me know what you guys think about this little trend that we're having here. I think it's a great idea, and I think that it can be very empowering, as well as just like super fun to watch if you don't actually want to put it on your own face. But thank you for watching my little video. Make sure to check out other videos that are similar to this if you haven't already. And yeah, that's really all I got. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.